When precision and efficiency matter most, professionals rely on the best hedge trimmer for professional use to tackle large hedges and intricate shaping with ease. Durable, powerful, and designed for extended use, these tools deliver consistent, clean cuts every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Hedge Trimmer. The Ego Power Plus Hedge Trimmer is built for professionals and serious gardeners who demand precision and durability. Its industry-first carbon fiber rail is exceptionally strong, offering a lifetime warranty that ensures long-term reliability. The 26-inch dual-action steel blades provide a generous 1.2-inch cut capacity, making it capable of handling thicker branches without strain, while the fully serviceable gearbox allows quick and easy blade sharpening, keeping the trimmer at peak performance. Powered by a 56-volt ARC lithium battery, it delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime with the included 2.5 amp-hour battery, and is compatible with all Ego 56-volt batteries for flexible, extended use. The 5-position, 180-degree rotating handle enhances comfort and control, letting users tackle hedges at various angles without fatigue. Its high-efficiency brushless motor drives the blades at up to 3,400 strokes per minute, ensuring fast, clean cuts while minimizing vibration and extending the life of the tool. Whether shaping ornamental hedges, trimming shrubs, or maintaining larger bushes. Number 2. DEWALT 20-volt Hedge Trimmer. The DEWALT 20-volt hedge trimmer delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, maneuverable package. Equipped with a high-output motor, it can tackle branches up to 3/4 inch thick with ease, ensuring clean, efficient cuts on dense hedges and overgrowth. Its 22-inch laser-cut hooked-tooth blades are designed for precise trimming and fast results, making shaping and maintaining bushes straightforward. The friction clutch helps protect the transmission from potential damage caused by obstacles, increasing durability and longevity. With up to 78 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it provides ample operation time for extended projects without interruption, making it suitable for both commercial landscapers and serious homeowners. DEWALT's attention to ergonomic design also reduces fatigue during long trimming sessions. The tool is 39% more compact than comparable models, offering better maneuverability and control in tight spaces while limiting strain on arms and shoulders. Its lightweight, well-balanced construction, combined with the powerful motor, allows users to maintain efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 20-volt Hedge Trimmer. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt hedge trimmer is designed for users seeking a lightweight yet efficient trimming tool. Its 22-inch dual-action blades cut with up to 40% less vibration than single-action alternatives, ensuring a smoother, more controlled trimming experience. The trimmer handles branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it suitable for most hedges and shrubs found in residential gardens. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, it provides enough runtime to trim up to 3,000 square feet of hedges per charge, delivering consistent performance without frequent interruptions. The wraparound front handle improves comfort and control, allowing for both vertical and horizontal trimming applications. Combined with the full-length trigger and soft grip handle, this trimmer reduces user fatigue, making it easier to maintain precision during longer sessions. BLACK+DECKER emphasizes durability and blade performance with a design that ensures longer life, truer cuts, and reliable efficiency. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of cords in limited reach, allowing users to maneuver around large gardens or intricate hedge designs with ease. It is particularly well-suited. Number 4. SACRE 20-volt Hedge Trimmer. The SACRE 20-volt hedge trimmer is an all-in-one tool designed for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts who want a versatile, easy-to-use device. Its dual-blade design accommodates a range of trimming tasks. The long blade is ideal for cutting thin shoots on hedges, bushes, small trees, and ornamental plants, while the short blade handles grass, weeds, and smaller lawn sections. This makes it a multifunctional option suitable for maintaining lawns, gardens, parks, and outdoor spaces with minimal effort. Cordless and lightweight, the trimmer is simple to maneuver, eliminating the restrictions of cords or gas-powered alternatives. Its ergonomic design ensures that trimming, shaping, and clearing tasks can be done comfortably for extended periods, making it accessible to gardeners of all skill levels, including both men and women. The Sacred trimmer also comes with guidance on proper battery care, suggesting periodic charging every 3 to 6 months to extend battery life and maintain consistent performance. Users are advised to troubleshoot minor issues such as motor gear slippage or power interruptions. Number 5. WORX 22-inch Hedge Trimmer. The WORX 22-inch hedge trimmer combines power, precision, and ergonomic design for efficient hedge maintenance. Its dual-action blades provide a clean, fast trim, catching branches on the forward and return stroke for a twice-as-nice cut. The 22-inch cutting reach is ideal for flat tops, long sides, and rounded corners, offering versatility for both shaping and detailed trimming. Lightweight yet sturdy, the trimmer is easy to maneuver, while the D-grip handle allows for comfortable operation at multiple angles, whether cutting high hedges or low undergrowth. Powered by WORX's 20-volt PowerShare battery system, it delivers reliable performance while also being compatible with over 75 other WORX tools, adding convenience and flexibility to your outdoor toolkit. The included 2.0 battery and charger provide ample runtime for standard hedge trimming tasks, with the ability to swap batteries if needed for extended sessions. Users appreciate the combination of lightweight design and high efficiency, which reduces fatigue while maintaining professional-level cutting power. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.